and we will continue our work until justice is done for Zaria McKeever.
Well, the Hennepin County Attorney announces new charges in the high-stakes murder case of Zaria McKeever that has sparked a lot of controversy about prosecuting violent juvenile offenders. Now, the county attorney's office has charged 2 more adults now in connection to that deadly shooting.
But the young man who pulled the trigger continues to have his case in juvenile court. Let's bring in Paul Bloom. Paul, 5 people have been charged in Zaria's murder, but it really still is not enough for her family.
BC and Tim, it is not. The family continues to demand that the Attorney General step in here and take over the case, arguing justice just cannot be done unless the alleged shooter is sent to prison, adult prison, for a very long time.
The shooter, the murderer, and the mastermind go aggressively on both, no matter the age.
Tiffany Epps remains steadfast in her belief that the 15-year-old gunman who killed her sister, Zaria McKeever, back in November, is prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. And that means in adult court with adult consequences. Explaining any other prosecutorial maneuvering is just politics, and her sister deserves better.
She's been thrown into Mary's political gain, and she's trying to use us as a test dummy, and I'm sorry, but she picked the wrong family.
Let me be clear about this. Zaria's murder is a devastating case of domestic homicide.
On Friday, Hennepin County Attorney Moriarty announced additional charges in the case against 2 adults for aiding an offender after the fact. The deadly shooting has provided headaches for the new top prosecutor and her stance on juvenile justice. Her team offering plea deals to a pair of teen brothers who allegedly stormed into a Brooklyn Park apartment and killed the 23-year-old mother in exchange for their cooperation, nailing the man who reportedly orchestrated the murderous plot, Zaria's ex-boyfriend, Eric Haynes. The 15-year-old gunman, now set to enter a guilty plea next month that would send him to juvenile lockup for up to 2 years, followed by a strict probationary period that avoids adult prison time as long as he remains law-abiding. Zaria's family believes it's way too lenient and is asking the governor to step in and transfer the case over to the Attorney General's office.
Because Mary is mishandling this case.
And the Attorney General's office weighing in just today with this statement, offering assistance by, quote, bringing some sense of comfort and confidence to the family, end quote. The county attorney, though, doubling down, explaining these latest charges are the direct result of the teens' cooperation, and there are absolutely no plans to change course prosecuting the 15-year-old alleged shooter. It should be noted here, Mary Moriarty took 0 questions today from the media. We're live in the news with Paul Bloom, Fox 9.